Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new wig unboxing. So this is a 40-inch 250% density wig from Silkwave hair on Aliexpress. I'm back ordering on Aliexpress like I love Aliexpress. So I did buy this wig 100% myself with my own money. This video is not sponsored. Let me show you all. Here is my, wait, no, that's my address. Don't look at that, you guys. Hold on, that's my address. That is my address. Don't look at that. But here is my Aliexpress page. As you can see, I bought this wig. But we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig. I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And let's get into this video. So y'all, I ordered this wig Sunday night. Today is Thursday. So it took what, like 3 or 4 days to come here. So the shipping was super fast. I usually tell you all, make sure you message the company, say, hey, do you have the 40-inch 250% density wig in stock right now? But I didn't even do that because I ordered like 3 different wigs. I was just ordering wigs that night. This wig is already here. Like, I am shook. It has some weight to it, so hopefully this is like a thick wig and it is just giving. But let me read what this wig is again for you all one more time. This is from Silkwave official store. I'm going to put the link to this exact wig in the description box. This is what they say this is. This is a 13x4 HD lace wig. They're saying HD. I have yet to come across a 40-inch wig that actually has real HD lace yet, but we'll see. 40 inches, 250% density. So this wig actually came from China too, y'all. Like lately, I've been getting a lot of wigs from the US. Like, I don't know, I actually prefer, like, I'm happy that it's different. I've been getting wigs from like the exact same warehouse in the US, so I'm happy that this is something different. But let's go ahead and open this wig. I got my like childish scissors. I haven't seen like scissors like these since I've been in kindergarten. Like, that's crazy. Came in a DHL bag and it came in like your basic black bag. So here it is. It does have like a little 40 sticker on it and all that. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, so it's just thrown in here. It's just thrown in here. Okay, it does have a netting on it. So the wig's just in here, you guys. So let me show you all what they put in here. So it comes with like a little how to measure, care, all that stuff. And then it comes with like wig caps. I don't use wig caps, but it does come with it. So let's actually see this wig. Like, okay, let's take this netting off. I can already tell you, I don't think this is not HD lace because I know like HD lace is usually like raggedy on the ends. So this is transparent lace, but that is really good. That is good too. Of course, you want what was advertised, but if you're like me and a little heavy-handed when you're customizing the hairline, like I've poked so many holes in HD lace, and some of you told me that your HD lace doesn't last too long, like it tears easily. So if you want a wig for longevity, transparent lace is better. But this hair looks really soft. Let's give it that. I'll give it that. Like, this hair is like really, ooh, this is beautiful. Hold up now. This is really pretty. This looks like, oh, this is pretty. This like looks like Ari level, Ari Jada level. Like, this is really pretty hair. Okay, like look at how silky. This hair is really silky, y'all. Like, okay. It is really, really thick. And let me tell y'all, this time I actually ordered another 40-inch bundle. I actually ordered a 40-inch bundle from Amazon. So I am going to like review that bundle, but I don't even think this wig needs an extra bundle. Like, look at this all the way. Oh my God. Look at how this is. Look at how, let me stop. Look at how this is flowing, you guys. Let me calm down a little bit. Like, this is so, like, look at this ponytail. Look at how thick this ponytail is. This is actually 250% density hair. This is bomb. This is really bomb. So I'm 5'7". I'm gonna stand up for you all and show you all how long this wig is. So this is where it falls on me. Okay, yeah, this is where it falls on me being 5'7". Bam, bam. Nice thickness, very beautiful. Cute. Super cute. But, like always, we are going to pull out our measuring tape, our handy dandy. I don't know where it is. Oh, it's right here. Our handy dandy measuring tape. So let's see what this hair measures. It's so thick. I'm so happy. This is the thickest 40-inch. Like, I have not seen a 250% density 40-inch wig on Aliexpress ever, I don't think. It's always 180%, I believe. I might be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, you guys. But y'all, this is so thick. Like, I probably won't even add that extra bundle. So y'all, I'm holding the wig like all the way up here when I do that. 1 second. Okay, y'all, my mom was over there calling me. I thought it was my lawyer, but no, it's my mom. But y'all, look at how thick this hair is. Like, oh my God, Silkwave. Period. Look at that. But like I was saying, I'm holding the wig all the way up here while I'm like doing my what it would look on me. But this is so long and thick. Like, y'all, like, look at this. This is really, really thick hair. I am shook. So, you know what? We can look past the lace. And this wig was $350. So I would say Aliexpress 40-inch wigs are usually $400. Now, I know y'all might be like, that's not affordable, but it's 40 inches, y'all. Like, it's 40 inches. If you went on an Aliexpress company, on an Instagram company, you would be paying, I don't know, because I don't even look, but at least 700 or something. And then the wig's already made. So yeah, it costs $347. And of course, if you decide to get some a little shorter, because not everybody is like, you know, if you're shorter, you probably don't need a 40-inch wig. You could still get, you can get a 36. You can get a 36-inch wig for $207, y'all. $207 for a 36-inch wig. That's still super long. And if you're like 5'4" or something, it will be probably the same length this wig is on me. So, and you can get a 30. Okay, I'm thinking about sometimes going back to 30 inches sometimes, and 30-inch wigs are only $139. So these wigs are super cheap. Don't be discouraged just because I got the thickest, longest wig possible, but yeah, still really good. Let's keep looking at this wig because this wig is nice. I'm excited. I ordered maybe 3 wigs that night. If I would have known this wig would look like this, I would not have ordered another wig. And oh my goodness, y'all, let's talk. So I am like a 13x6 girly because I love a nice long part. Most wigs on Aliexpress now, you don't get like the full frontal. You don't get the full frontal. So you get maybe 2 inches on the side or something. So they do give you more parting space here. This is like just about a full frontal. So this is a nice amount of parting space. So I do think it'll still look good. But you know, I'm really used to 13x6s. But they didn't offer a 13x6 frontal. They only have 13x4, which might be a downside. But the thickness, like, y'all, I can't make this up at all. You really, like, this is heavy. I don't know where my, I wish I had, like, my scale. But, y'all, this is actually really, like, you really cannot make this up. And, y'all, I'm telling you, like, I did buy this wig myself, my own money. I didn't tell them I was a YouTuber or anything like that. Like, this is a really thick wig. Like, yo, like, look at this. Hold on, let me stand back. Let me stand back a little bit. Like, yo, look at this. This is insane. I'm just looking at it on camera and I have my mirror right here. Like, this is a lot of hair. Like, this is how you want your hair to look when you're walking, like that. That's really pretty. I am obsessed. This might be, I might have found the best 40-inch wig on Aliexpress. So yeah, the lace is actually transparent. This is not HD lace, y'all. But the hair, it ease, no smell. Like this ease. This looks like what people advertise as like Vietnamese hair. Like this looks like that. This is really good. Like it looks silky and just like you can see, like look at how, oh my goodness, Let's look at these ends. I am obsessed. I cannot wait to put this on. I will probably dye it jet black. But y'all, I'm so extra having my hair this long, but I'm obsessed. Oh wait, the chair's in the way. I'm obsessed. Cute. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. But yeah, I'm going to link this hair in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you all. Bye.